Hi friends, this video shows how to fix network problems like slow internet and internet not working. Method 1. Open Settings app, tap on this icon, then select Connection and Sharing, then go down, then select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth, then tap on Reset Settings, then tap on OK. So it reset all network related settings. So this way we can fix most of the internet related issues. So this is a method 1. So let me go to method 2. Open Settings app, then select About Phone, then select All Specs, go down. Here you can see internet internal storage. Here tap 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. Then based on the SIM slot we can select phone information 1 or 2. So I inserted SIM in slot 2, so I am going to select phone info 2. So here you can see set preferred network type. Tap here, then select LTE only, then go back. So this is the method 2. Method 3. Open Settings app, then select SIM cards and mobile networks, then select the SIM where you are facing network issue. I am going to select SIM 2, then select access point names. Here you can see the default access point. Here you can see reset option. If you tap on reset, it delete this existing default APN, then it create a new one. Let me delete it and create. See, it created a new APN. You can try that way. That will fix your network related issues. Make sure that you selected use VoLTE. This option we should enable. Then mobile networks, this should be automatically select network. We should enable this option. Then preferred network type, it should be LTE. Then go back. Then mobile data, we should enable this option to get internet mobile data. Okay. Method 4. Open Settings, then go to SIM cards and mobile networks, then select the SIM where you are facing issue, then tap on access point names, then select the tap on the default access point. Then here you can see server. Tap on server. Here we can type www.google.com. Then save it. So this setting will fix slow internet issue. So these are the 4 methods. So please try it. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.